The Subaru SGT EJ20 is a true gem in the world of performance vehicles. This compact powerhouse is known for its turbocharged flat-4 engine, which delivers an exhilarating driving experience. With a displacement of 2.0 liters, the EJ20 is not just about numbers. It's about the thrill of the drive. One of the standout features of the EJ20 is its unique boxer engine design. This layout lowers the center of gravity, enhancing stability and handling. When you take a corner in this car, you feel the grip and precision that comes from that low stance. It's a game changer, especially when you're pushing the limits on winding roads or a track. Now let's talk modifications. Many enthusiasts opt for upgraded turbochargers to boost power significantly. A common choice is the TD05 Turbo, which can ramp up horsepower to impressive levels. Coupled with a performance exhaust system, you not only gain power but also that iconic Subaru rumble that turns heads. Another popular modification is the ECU tuning. By optimizing the engine's performance parameters, you can unlock even more potential from the EJ20. This means better throttle response and increased efficiency, making every drive more enjoyable. Suspension upgrades are also crucial for maximizing the EJ20's capabilities. Many owners install coilovers to improve handling and ride quality. This allows for adjustable ride height and damping, giving you the flexibility to tailor the car's performance to your liking. Let's not forget about the brakes. Upgrading to larger rotors and high-performance calipers can make a world of difference. With the added power from modifications, having a robust braking system is essential for safety and control. The Subaru SGT EJ20 isn't just about raw power. It's about the entire driving experience. The interior is driver-focused, with supportive seats and a layout that keeps everything within reach. The feeling of being connected to the road is palpable, and it's what makes this car so appealing to enthusiasts. In terms of aesthetics, many owners choose to enhance the exterior with body kits and unique paint jobs. Whether you prefer a subtle look or something that screams performance, there's a style for everyone. Ultimately, the Subaru SGT EJ20 is a blend of engineering excellence and passionate modification. It's a car that invites you to push the limits while providing a sense of community among fellow enthusiasts. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up a track, the EJ20 delivers an unforgettable experience that keeps you coming back for more.
Lagi-lagi pusat Valle